Still here. Managed to survive the rain. Good for you. Hiding under the shade of a tree. Beautiful flower. Well, I've been looking for one of these in flower, and I found it. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Amazing colours. And also this. So hard to appreciate these unless you were here, really. The texture is amazing. They just look like they're made of silk. They don't look real. Begonia Etna, it's called. Oh, I wish I could see that. That's gorgeous. Well, this one is a Hoya, so the sign tells me. Not many plants have survived the heavy rain, but this one has. This beautiful lily. And there are quite a few around here. Oh, these are great. They've now flowered. Haha. Look at these. They're great. They look like lobster claws. Amazing in flower. An unusual colour. There's almost brown in that. Surrounded by these. I love this place. It gets me out of the house. This is so lovely. These are great flowers. Oh, that's so nice in here. Well, that's nice. I think it's just a weed that's made its way across here. A few of them around. I'm here today. Oh, it's so pretty. Beautiful. Wow, what an entrance. I've seen these many times, but they look so nice, and it's very, very warm in here. There's some palm oil on the palm tree there. Very small one, and not much of a crop. But it's growing in a nice location. A beautiful collection. I like this mixture here. These are amazing. This is a beautiful lily. Survived the rains. Very nice. Great leaves around here. Oh, what a lovely flower. I think it's an azalea. Not sure. I will check. Very nice. Pretty. They almost look like daffodils from a distance. Of course they're not. Wow, they look nice. So vibrant and red. That's beautiful. It's a lovely day today in this park at Port Lam. Got three of the same type here, but in different colours. Well, that's an interesting place to do your band practice, in a subway. Very interesting. Very nice. And you can still get through just about, I think. I don't know what's going on with these birds at the moment. It must be mating season. They're lying on the floor and they look like they're damaged or ill. But when you get much closer to them, they kind of move away, fly away. And I think that's what we have here. Oh, there we go. That wasn't wrong. Oh, that's nice. That really stands out. That's beautiful. There are quite a few around here. It's a huge butterfly. Having a go at the Chinese ixoras there. Oh wow, look at you.